Find the amount of ordinary annuity of 375 pesos every 6 months payable for 5 years and 6 months. If money is worth 9% compounded semi-annually. So we have the numerical values as 375 first. Tapos ano yung 375 pesos. Yung 375 pesos, yun yung babayaran niya every 6 months for 5 years and 6 months. So, ibig sabihin, dahil yun yung constant na binabayaran, ibig sabihin, yung 375 is the periodic payment. And then, we have 5 years and 6 months. 5 years and 6 months is the time because of the measurement of time na years and months. And since divided siya into years and months, kailangan natin siyang i-write into a mixed fraction. Bakit? Kasi may presence ng years and ng months, wherein yung number of years mo is the whole number and the number of months is the numerator and yung denominator natin ay 12. Laging 12 kasi there are 12 months in a year. And then if you'll ask me, ma'am, pwedeng 5 and 1/2? Pwede po. Ma'am, pwedeng 5.5? Pwede din po. So either of the three will do. And then we have 9%. Dahil sa presence ng percent symbol, this becomes our rate. And then, since we have to eliminate the percent symbol kasi we cannot compute using that symbol, we move 2 decimal places to the left. So, 9% becomes 0.09. And then, we have the term semi-annually. Ngayon, pag nalilito, ano yung number equivalent sa semi-annually, you can refer to the table that I gave you last lesson ng compound interest. Pwede po yun. O kaya naman, isipin nyo na lang, pag semi-annually, dinidivide mo siya into 2, 'di ba? So kasi nga semi. So pagka semi, hahatiin mo siya equally. So pag hinati mo siya equally, edi ilan ba yung hati ng 12 divided by 2? So the answer is 6. So tag dito yung 12 hahatiin mo sa dalawang, kumbaga yung semi-annually, i-divide mo siya ng dalawa. So, dahil dinidivide mo siya ng dalawa, yung semi-annually is equivalent to 2. And 2 is our compounding period per year. And then, ma'am, ba't hindi mo sinama yung 6 months? Yung 6 months, parang pampagulo na lang siya. Na parang yung 6 months equivalent siya sa semi-annually. Ngayon, ma'am, bakit yung 6 months equivalent sa semi-annually, hindi naman 2 yung nakalagay? Kasi, di ba, pag hinati mo sa dalawa yung number of months natin in a year, 6 months yung tawag nito, yung first 6 months tapos yung last 6 months siya nahahati. Kaya 6 months, equivalent siya into 6 months. So, yun lang yun. Parang pampagulo lang yung 6 months dyan. So, hindi natin siya isasama sa given. And then, for the find naman, ang hahanapin, ang sabi, find the amount of ordinary annuity. So, dahil ang hinahanap ay yung amount ng ordinary annuity, ibig sabihin nun, meron na siyang kasamang interest, kumbaga lumipas na yung time na 5 years and 6 months. Kasi nga, nalagyan na siya ng interest eh. So, dahil nalagyan na siya ng interest, ang hinahanap natin is the future amount. So, ganun. Pagka tinatanong is yung amount ng ordinary annuity, ibig sabihin ay future amount po iyon. And then, we already have the given values. We already know what are we going to look for. And then, pwede na tayong mag-proceed with the solution. So, I'll just write the formula. So, F is equal to R daw. Pero, no need to write this one if sa mga activities ninyo. Sinusulat ko lang for discussion purposes. So, we have open parentheses 1 plus R over M raised to M times T or Tm minus 1 all over R over M. And then, you substitute the given values. We have R as, 375. And then, open, we have 1 plus, yung R natin? 0.09 all over M na, yung M natin? 2. And then, M natin is 2 times 5.5. Let's just use 5.5 para hindi din magulo pagka nag-direct solution tayo. Minus 1 all over. Kasi mas parang ang daming nakikitang parang over pagka puro fraction yung gagamitin natin. So, pagka pwede nyo naman siyang i-rewrite into decimal, edi you use the decimal number. So, directly solving this one in your calculator, 375, tapos open, fraction, tapos open ulit, 1 plus, fraction, ano yun, 0.09, all over 2, tapos close, tapos exponent, 2 times 5.5, close, tas down, minus 1, tas down ulit, fraction, 0.09, down 2. Tapos rightmost, then close, and then equal sign. So, the answer is 5,190.44. Next. So, pagka direct computation, the answer is 5,190.44. Ngayon, pagka naman, you want to do the, step-by-step solution, so, ganito po yung gagawin. 375 multiplied by 1 plus. Let's try to check kung yung 0.09 ba ay magre-result sa 0.09 divided by 2 ay magre-result sa, ang tawag nito, significant notation. Yung sinabi kong, ay scientific notation. Yung 5.3 times 10 raised to negative 3. Kasi pagka ganito, wag na ito yung gamitin nyo. You retain it as a fraction. Pero pagka naman, lumalabas, kumbaga hindi nagiging scientific notation, edi we use the decimal number. So, equal sign, let's see. Ayan, 0.045. So, hindi to scientific notation. We can use this one as the value for 0.09 all over 2. So, yung 0.045, pwedeng 0.045 or 0.5. Kayong bahala kung anong gusto nyong gamitin. Basta if you want to use 0.05, kailangan 0.05 yung nakalagay sa solution. Or if you want to use 0.045, then you have to write it as 0.045. And then, 2 times 5.5 is 11. So, we write it as 11 minus 1 all over 0.045. Ngayon, kung ano yung gagamitin nyo dun sa numerator, yun na lang din yung gamitin nyo sa denominator para iwas confusion. And then, we solve for the term inside the parentheses. So, we have open, 1 plus 0.045, close, tapos raised to 11. Then, equals, we have 1.62. So, 1.62 minus 1 all over 0.045. The answer is solve tayo. So 1.62 ay 1.62 ay 62 ano ba? 62 minus 1 all over 0.045. So the answer is 13.78. So 375 multiplied by 13.78. So, 375 times 13.78, the answer is 5,167.5. So, ito yung answer pagka step-by-step solution, tapos pagka naman direct, ang answer nyo ay 5,190.44. If you will ask me, ma'am, alin dyan yung mas tama? Wala pong may mas tama dyan. Tayo lang yung may tama sa utak. Char, joke lang. So, pareho po yung may tama, ay pareho yung correct answer. It's just that if your answer is 5,167.5, then this should be your solution. Kailangan makikita ko to. Hindi pwedeng ito lang inilagay nyo tas ito na agad yung answer. Hindi ko i-consider yon. Okay po? I-consider ko yung solution nyo, bibigyan ko ng point, pero mali yung final answer ninyo. So, dapat pag direct computation, ito yung answer. Pagka step by step, ito yung answer ninyo. Okay?